All right, the main event is right now. They said a tornado south of me and north of me. Okay, this is the main show. Right on the edge of it, of the main cluster of red radar blob coming in. You can hear the tornado sirens going off in the distance. Whew! This is rowdy. Wow. There goes another tornado siren. It is just freaking incredible. Alright, this is what it looks like from my garage door. Probably good 50, 60 mile an hour winds. Tornado sirens going off to the north of me. Watching the television, weather guys saying there's a tornado north part of town and south. But this is just coming down crazy. This is the main event. It's just hitting Moore, Oklahoma right now. It's just coming down in sheets. Look at that. Woo! Big gust right there. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. Good 50, 60 mile an hour winds. Alright, this is the backside. The storm has already passed my area, but you can hear the tornado sirens going off down to the south. That's Norman. The television is saying that tornado hit near OU campus. It's always cool to watch video of the backside of these storms because the lightning bolts will go right across the whole sky. Crazy.